How to log in into MBNA Credit Card online account. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to get logged in into the MBNA's credit card online account, first of all open any of your browser. Now on the Google or any other browser, search for mbna.co.uk. Here on the top right corner, you will see a login button as well as register button. Additionally, in the tabs such as credit card, you can compare credit card, check for help and support, clever check, and much more. To get logged in, tap on login button and it will take you to another page. Now on this page, you will have to provide your username and then the password. If you want to remember the username, you can tick on remember my username button, but make sure not to tick it if you are in public or shared computer. In case you've forgotten your credentials, you can tap on forgot now and you can choose your option of changing it, changing the username or the memorable information as well. This way you can recover your account as well. But for that, you require your credit card and some of the additional information. So this is how you can get logged in into MBNA Credit Card online account. And that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.